All right, here goes another one. If you are on the road and a police officer pulls you over for speeding, ask the officer so you can see the speeder gun. When you see the speeder gun, you take out your phone and you take a picture of it. If the officer will not allow you to take a picture, again, make sure you are recording. If you cannot maintain a copy of the evidence that the officer is using against you, that is a violation of your civil due process rights. You must be able to see the evidence that is going to be used against you, right? So if the officer refuses to give you a copy of the evidence that he's using to write the ticket, then don't argue with the officer. Just make sure you're audio recording, and then you can provide that in court to further substantiate your proof that the officer maliciously wrote that ticket or citation.
So in the first video, these are some of the things you can do when you're driving in Jamaica. If you get stopped by the police, these are some of the things you can do to protect yourself. Because let's face it, some of them will make up the law because they feel like you as a regular person, you don't know the law, so they will make up things, and they love to, oh, we're going to impound their vehicle, so at least you have your video, you know what to do. So they may, at the moment, you can stand your ground. They may win the